Hey everyone, today we're going to scrape information about phone numbers, mainly their types, so whether they are cell phone numbers or landline numbers. So that is what we need to identify. So here the client gave us two Excel files. Each one has a column for the phone numbers. So for example, here for the Quebec file, we have the phone column at the G column. So what the client wants us to do is uh, input into the mobile column, this yes or no column, a yes if it is a cell phone number and a no if the phone number isn't a cell phone. Maybe it is a landline number. So we can do this from this site, this phone validator site. We input our phone number here and we search. Okay, so after it loaded, here we have the phone line type. It says here it's a landline. So we need to come here and say no. Okay, so we need to automate this. We can't go about it manually. So we need our bot to paste the phone number here into this text box, then press search, then get this data, get the type. For example, here it is landline. So here is our code. We first off import the necessary libraries such as undetected Chrome driver. Then we import the by class to locate elements, the time module to add delays, the pandas module to handle the data in data frames, and the TQDM module for a progress bar. So first off, we initialize a Chrome browser instance, then we make it a full screen, then we open the target website here. So our data is in an Excel file, so we need to use the read Excel function. So first argument is the name of the file, then the sheet name, which is in this case named sheet. Here it's named sheet. Then we use column G. So use calls argument is G, which has the phone numbers. We turn this data frame into a list so we can iterate over the phone numbers. Then we initialize an empty list to store our data, whether it's a cell phone or it's a landline. Okay, so here, this for loop, in this for loop we iterate over, here I made it the first 10 phone numbers because it's a huge list, it's a 52,000 phone number. So we're gonna go with 10 this time. So it sleeps 1 second and then it finds the input box. So we go to the website, we inspect the text box here, we found it, then we copy its XPath, then we paste it. So the driver finds this element, which is the input box. This is its XPath. We also want to find the search button that we need to click. So driver.find element by XPath. Then we go to the website, right click, inspect, and this is it. We copy its XPath, then we add it. So the driver found the input box and the search button. So we make the bot send the number of the phone. So here the I here is the every element in this list. So this list has the first 10 phone numbers in the column. So the first I is the first phone number. So here we send the phone number to the input box. Then we click search. When it clicks search, it opens up. So for example here, okay, so let's copy this. For example, copy this phone number. We go to the website, put it and search. Okay, so we need the bot to find this text. So it is the following sibling to this strong element, which has the text phone line type and a column. So we need to find this element, then we go to its following sibling, which is the span. Then we get its text. So that is what we did exactly. We made the driver find any element that is a strong and has the text phone line type column. Then we go to its following sibling, which is a span. Then we get its text. This variable is the phone type. So we append the phone type into the phone types list. And if it doesn't find the phone type, we say it's none. Then we append this none to the list. Then after this, it searches for the return to search page. Then it clicks that button, which is this button here. Here we copy its XPath. Then it clicks it. And after all of this is done, it prints the phone number and its type. Then we create a data frame after it runs through all of the phone numbers. It creates a data frame of them with their types. So let's run the script quickly. Okay, I think it's done. So yes, the first 10 phone numbers, we found their types here, and we created the data frame. So when we run it, this is the data frame, has the phone uh, number column and the type. So we need to add another column that says this one to be exact, if it's mobile, yes or no. So we create a mapping dictionary. So if the type column, if the row says it is a landline, so we put no. If it says a cell phone, then yes. So we create the dictionary and then we apply a lambda function to the type column. So this creates our mobile column. It runs through all of the values of the type column, then creates the new column. So here for all the landline values, it says no. And for the cell phone number, the cell phone types, it says yes. And then after that, we can save it to Commissioner. Okay, because I have it already open. Okay, so this is it. Here we have the phone column, the type, and the yes or no column. And that's it. So after we do this for two Excel sheets, We get two Excel files and we can copy these columns or cut them, or we can do it programmatically, and we add them to the original files. And that's it.